Empty can is used in physical therapy to test the strength and integrity of the rotator cuff. However, it can also be used as a strengthening exercise if there has been an injury to this area. Start with your hands by your side and thumbs pointing towards you, and lift your arms up at a 45-degree angle to the side and up to 90 degrees of shoulder height. It's going to be in a kind of a Y motion, and as you raise up, the thumbs stay pointed towards the ground. In the beginning, it may be just enough to go through the range of motion. As this gets easier, you may hold weights in your hands and perform this exercise to continue to improve the strength.